Good morning, my dear students. Today also we are going to discuss about properties of triangles part 1, some different model questions. Okay, right now the first one is the small a 5, small b 4 and cos of a minus b is 31 by 32. Then find c. We know that from the cosine rule, dear students, we know that the c square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab into cos c. This is the value of c square. Okay. Now students, the a square is a 25, b square is the 16 minus 2ab. So 5 4s are 20, 20 into 2 40 into cos of c. Now this is the students 41 minus 40 into cos c. This is the value of c square. Now students, we are looking to find the value of cos c. So what is given that the cos of a minus b also given that. Now students, we have to know that from the tangent or Napier analysis, that is tan of a minus b by 2 equal to a minus b upon a plus b into cot of c by 2. Dear students, the tan of a minus b by 2 in terms of cos is 1 minus cos a minus b upon 1 plus cos a minus b. So students, we can written as the a minus b by a plus b into cot of c by 2. 5 minus 4 1, 5 plus 4 9. This is cot of c by 2. So dear students, how to write this is 1 minus 31 by 32, 1 plus 31 by 32 equal to 1 by 9 cot of c by 2. Dear students, this is 32 minus 31 is the 1, this is the 63, root 1 is the 1. So dear students, this is 9 by under root of 63 equal to cot of c by 2. So this is the students, we can written as cot of c by 2 under root of 81 by 63. Root of 81 is the 9. Okay. So students, this is cot c by 2 equal to, we can written as 9 9s are 9 7s are. This is the 3 by root of 7. So students, the tan of c by 2 equal to root 7 by 3. We have to know that the tan of c by 2, that is opposite side by adjacent side, is the 3. Hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. 9 plus 7 is the 16. Then it will be the students 4. Now we can written as this is cos of c by 2 equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Dear students, we have to know that the cos c by 2 can be written as, how to write the cos c by 2? We have to know that everybody, the cos of c by 2 can be written as 1 plus cos c by 2 under root. This is the 3 by 4. Is it clear? 1 plus cos c by 2 under root is the cos of c by 2. So students, squaring on both sides, 1 plus cos c by 2 equal to 9 by 16. This is the students, 2 1s are 2 8s are. That implies cos c equal to 9 by 8. The plus 1 sending other side minus 1. This is the students 1 by 8 is the value of cos c. The value of cos c is the students 1 by 8. Now students, we find out the value of c square is 41 minus 40. The value of cos c is the 1 by 8. Dear students, we have to substitute the cos c is the 1 by 8. So now this is 41 minus 5. This is the 36. Now the C is the students under root of 36. This is the value 6. Okay, this is the value of C. How to find the students? First we have to know that C square equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos C. This is the cosine rule. After that students, the tan of A minus B by 2 equal to A minus B upon A plus B into cot C by 2. From this we have to find the value of tan C by 2. So the tan C by 2 is the students opposite side by adjacent side. Hypotenuse is the 4. Cos C by 2 equal to 3 by 4. From this we have to find the value of cos C 1 by 8. That is substitute in this. That is the students 1 by 8. So the C equal to 36. C square equal to 36. C is the 6. Okay students, write down. If sine square A by 2, dear students, if sine square A by 2, sine square B by 2, sine square C by 2 are in harmonic progression. Okay students, sine square A by 2 comma sine square B by 2, sine square C by 2 are in harmonic progression, then dear students, A comma B comma C are in. So right now students, harmonic progression, we have to know that A, B, C are in HP. Suppose the students, we have to know that suppose A, B, C are in HP, B equal to 2AC by A plus C. That is also we can written as 2 by B equal to 1 by A plus 1 by C. Therefore students, 2 by sine square B by 2 upon 1 by sine square A by 2 plus 1 by sine square C by 2. Dear students, we have to know that B equal to 2AC by A plus C. Now this can be written as B by 2. After that reciprocal on both sides. That is the students, we can A is the cancel 1 by C, 1 by A. Similarly students, the 2 by B equal to 1 by A plus 1 by C. Now students, the 2 by sine B by 2 from the off angle rule, we have to know that the sine B is the students, everybody know that S minus C into S minus A upon AC. That is, you can written as the AC. My dear student, this is the sine square A by 2 can be written as, this is the students BC by S minus B into S minus C. After that student, this is AB by S minus A into S minus B. Dear students, here what we observe the students, the each and every term we have to multiple with. Dear students, the each and every term we have to multiple with on both sides. Dear students, multiple with on both sides S minus A, S minus B into S minus C upon ABC. Dear students, AC is the cancel. What is there? 2 into, my dear students, what we observed here, s minus c, s minus a are cancel is there. 2 into s minus b upon b. Is it clear? When we can observe ac, ac cancel is there, b. This is also students bc, here bc, bc cancel. What is there? A. Here s minus b, s minus c cancel, bc, bc cancel. We can take it as s minus a by a. Similarly students, what is there? S minus a, s minus b cancel is there, s minus c by c. This is the students how to write. This is 2s by b minus 2. b cancel minus 2. Okay students, after then s by a minus 1, s by c minus 1. So students, 2s by b equal to s minus a plus s by c. What is the students? 2s by b equal to s by a plus s by c. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 2, 2 cancel. Now this is the students 2 by b equal to 1 by a plus 1 by c. Therefore students, this is, we know that what is this? A comma b comma c are in harmonic progression. Is it clear? A, B, C are in HP. Okay students, write down A, B, C are in HP. Now students, question number 3. C square equal to a square plus b square. Then the value of 4s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c in terms of a and b. In terms of a and b. Is it clear? In terms of a and b. So, dear students, here what we observed, c square equal to a square plus b square. Now students, this is what? Hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. Is it clear students? Hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. Now the area of the triangle. What is the students? The area of the triangle is denoted by delta, that is of base into height. The base is the A, height is the B. Is it clear students? Hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. Now we are taken as the base is the A, height is the B, of base into height. This is what students? 2 delta equal to AB. Now dear students, we have to know that the delta equal to, everybody know that the delta equal to under root of s into s minus a, s minus b into s minus c. This is delta. Okay students, now squaring on both sides, the delta square equal to, that is s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Now students, we are taken as what is there? 4 into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Now students, we are taking on both sides multiple with 4, that is 4 delta square equal to 4 into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. This is the students, the when you can squaring on both sides. This is the students squaring on both sides. Then it will come 4 delta square equal to a square b square. Dear students, what is the value of 4 delta square is a square b square. Now students, a square b square equal to 4 into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. This is in terms of a and b. Okay students, write down 4 into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. That is the value a square b square. Now students, I will take one more question right now. If the angles A comma B comma C are in AP, okay students, then the value of A plus C by B, then the value of A plus C by B equal to, okay students. This is A, B, C are in AP. My dear students, A comma B comma C are in AP. That is 2B equal to A plus C. Adding B on both sides. 2B plus B equal to A plus B plus C. This is the students 3B equal to sum of the angles 180 degrees. So B equal to 60 degrees. Now students, we have to find the value of A plus C by B. Okay. So this is from all-wide rule. What is the formula of A plus C upon B? So student, this is cos of A minus C by 2 upon sin B by 2. A plus C by B is the cos of A minus C by 2 upon sin B by 2. So students, when ABC are in AP, that is we can take directly the cos of A minus C by 2. The sin of 60 by 2 is the 30. So what is the students? This is the sin 30. That is 1 by 2. So students, 2 into cos of A minus C by 2. Okay, write down. Now students, another one. The sides of a triangle are in AP. The sides of a triangle. The sides of a triangle are in AP. The sides of a triangle are in AP. Okay students. The greatest angle exceed the greatest angle exceed the least by exceed the least by 90 degrees, then the sides are in the ratio. What is the students? Then the sides are in the ratio. Then the sides are in the ratio. So dear students, here what we observed here? First we observed here the sides are in the AP. Suppose if the sides we are taking the increasing order, A, B, C are in AP. So this is students, we have to know that 2B equal to A plus C. A, B, C are in AP, 2B equal to A plus C. This is we can take as 2 equal to A plus C by B. So student, this is we have to know that from the Marwide rule, A plus C is the cos of A minus C by 2 upon sine of B by 2. This is the students 2 into sine B by 2. 2 into sine B by 2 is the cos of A minus C by 2. Now students, the another condition is given that the greatest angle exceeds by the least by 90. So here the greatest angle is the C, least angle is the A. So students, the C can be written as 90 plus A. What is the students? C can be written as 90 plus A. Now student, this is C minus A equal to 90. So already we find that 2 into the sine of B by 2 equal to, what we find? The 2 sine B by 2 equal to cos of A minus C by 2. This is the students cos of A minus C by 2. Yes, in cos A minus C or C minus C are the same. In cos of minus theta is the cos of theta. What students? The cos of minus theta is the cos theta. Now student, this can be written as the 2 sine B by 2 equal to cos of 90 by 2 is the 45. This is 1 by root 2. Now students, the sine of B by 2. The sine of B by 2, dear students, what you got? 1 by 2 root 2. Is it clear students? The sine of B by 2 is the 1 by 2 root 2. My dear students, A plus B plus C is the 180 degrees. A plus B plus C is the 180 degrees. But whereas A plus B, the C can be written as 90 plus A equal to 180. So this is the students, we can written as A plus A is the 2A. This is the students B equal to 90. So my dear students, right now we got here what is the value of, we can written as, how to write the students, that B equal to students 90 minus of, how to write the students, 90 minus of 2A. So A plus A is the 2A, dear students, or 2A equal to, just we take 2A equal to 90 minus of B. What is the students? 90 minus of B. Now students, when we are taking on both sides cos of 2A equal to, this is the students cos of 90 minus B. This is cos 2A. Cos 90 minus B is the sin B. So dear students, right now we got sin of B by 2. So this is we can written as, how to write this is 1 minus cos B by 2 under root. This is the 1 by 2 root 2. Is it clear, students? The sin b by 2 can be written as 1 minus cos b by 2 equal to 1 by 2 root 2. Now this is squaring on both sides. Dear students, the 1 minus cos b by 2 equal to 1 by 8. 4 2s are 8. 2 1s are 2 4s are. This is the students, the cos b equal to minus cos b equal to plus cos b. This is 1 minus 1 by 4. This is what? 3 by 4 is the cos b. Dear students, what we observed here, when we know that the cos b is the students adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is the students? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is the 3, hypotenuse is the 4. 16 minus 9, that is 7. This is the root of 7. Is it clear? So students, the cos 2a, the cos of 2a equal to the sin b is the students root of 7 by 4. Everybody know that the cos 2a in terms of sin, the cos 2a in terms of sin is the students 1 minus 2 sin square a root of 7 by 4. What is the students? Cos 2a is the 1 minus 2 sin square a. This is the students we can written as 2 sin square a equal to, this is 1 minus root of 7 by 4. 1 minus root 7 by 4. Okay students, the 1 minus root 7 by 4. So here this can be written as the students, how to write this is 2 sin square a equal to 4 minus root 7 by 4. Okay students, now this is we can written as the sin square a equal to 4 minus root 7 by 2, 4s are 8. After that students, the sin a, how to write the sin a, that is the root of 4 minus root 7 by 8. So this is the students, how to find the square root. Here the sin of a equal to, we have to multiply with the numerator and the denominator will be 2. 2 4s are 8 minus 2 root 7 upon 16. Dear students, how can you write this is root 7 minus 1 whole square. Is it clear? By 4. What is this? A square plus b square, that is 8. 2ab, that is 2 root 7. So students, right now we got the sin a is the root of 7 minus 1 by 4. Yes, it is the root of 7 minus 1 by 4. Now students, we have to find the value of what is there. Right now we find the sin a. So students, the c equal to, all of you thinking here, the c is the 90 plus a. So when we are taking the sin c equal to sin of 90 plus a. Sin 90 plus a is the cos a. My dear students, here we observed, what we observed here, the sin c is the cos of a. So students, what is the, how to find the cos of a? So dear students, we got the sin a is the root of 7 minus 1 by 4. Everybody, we know that the sin a, just now we find root 7 minus 1 by 4. Now students, this is the a, root 7 minus 1 upon 4. So this is the hypotenuse is the 4. Now students, under root of, here this is 16 minus of root 7 minus 1 whole square under root. Is it clear? 16 minus of hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. 16 minus of root 7 minus 1 whole square. Therefore 16 minus 8 is the 8 plus 2 root 7. This is what students? Root 7 plus 1 whole square. Is it clear? Yes or no? A square b square is the 8. 2ab is the 2 root 7. Now student, this is root 7 square and under root cancel. Root 7 plus 1. Yes students, this is the root 7 plus 1. My dear students, the c equal to is there 90 plus a. When we are taking sin c, sin 90 plus a lies in second quadrant. This is cos a. The cos a is the students root 7 plus 1 by 4. This is the value of sin c. Dear students, we know that the sin c and cos b is there. Cos b is the students 3 by 4. Now draw the diagram for the b. That is 3, 4. This is 7. Yes students. Now we have to find the sides are in the ratio. The sides means everybody know that a is to, what is the side? A is to b is to c. From the sine rule we know that the small a 2r sin a, small b 2r sin b, small c 2r sin c. Is it clear students? Now 2r cancel. The value of sin a is the students is there root of 7 minus 1 by 4. The sin b from the diagram root 7 by 4. What is the sin c? That is the root of 7 plus 1 by 4. So the 4 is cancelled. The sides are in the ratio. Root 7 minus 1 is 2. Root 7 is 2. Root of 7 plus 1. Okay students, is it clear? Write down. How to find the students? First we are taking a, b, c are in AP. That is 2b equal to a plus c. 2 equal to a plus c by b, that is cos of a minus c by 2 by sin of b by 2. After that students, is there cos of sin b by 2 equal to cos of a minus c by 2. A minus c is the 90 by 2 45. That's why we got the sin b by 2 equal to 2 root 2. From this we have to find the cos b 3 by 4. This is what students, again we take a plus b plus c 180. C will be 90 plus a. From this we got cos 2a is the root of 7 by 4. From this we have to find the sin a value is root of 7 minus 1 by 4. When we know that sin a, dear students, directly you can write taking on both sides sin c, we got cos a. Just you can take the Pythagoras theorem, the sin a is the opposite side by hypotenuse, adjacent side is the root 7 plus 1. So cos a is the root 7 plus 1 by 4. We know that sin c value, and from this sin b value, this is the sin a value. So a is to b is to c is the 2r sin a is to 2r sin b is to 2r sin c. So students, sin a is to sin b is to sin c. Root of 7 minus 1 is to root 7 is to root of 7 plus 1. Okay students, write down. Now students, I will take one more question. It will be quite simple. In a triangle ABC, ABC are in AP, then A plus C upon A square minus AC plus C square under root A plus C upon A square minus AC plus C square. My dear students, in the last question we discussed about ABC are in AP, angles are in AP, B is the 60 degrees. So students, we are taking the B square is the form we know that the b square is the form from the cosine rule, c square plus a square minus 2ca cos b. Is it clear? B is the 60 degrees. So when ABC are in AP, dear students, B is the 60 degrees. After that, b square equal to c square plus a square minus 2ca cos b. This is, students, b square equal to c square plus a square minus 2ca cos 60 degrees is the 1 by 2. Now students, the b square equal to c square plus a square minus ca. This is the, students, the b square equal to c square plus a square minus ca. Okay students, now how to write this is a plus c upon a square minus ac plus c square. This is the, students, c square plus a square minus ac is the b square. So this is a plus c b square under root. So students, we can written as a plus c by b. What is the, students, a plus c by b? From the Malvoid rule, we have to know that from the Malvoid rule, cos of a minus c by 2 upon sin of b by 2. This is what? B is the 60. B is the 60. 60 by 2, 30. Sin 30 is the 1 by 2. Sin 30 is the 1 by 2. Therefore, students, 2 into cos of a minus c by 2. Since angle B is the 60 degrees, sin 30 1 by 2. Therefore, this cos of a minus c by 2 by 1 by 2. Therefore, that is 2 into cos of a minus c by 2. Okay, students. Now the another one. Let PQR is a triangle. Let PQR be a triangle. Be a triangle of area delta. Of area delta with small a. The small a equal to 2. Small b equal to 7 by 2, small c equal to 5 by 2, where a comma b comma c are the length of the sides of the triangle, are the length of sides of the triangle, length of the sides of the triangle, length of the sides of the triangle opposite to, okay students, opposite to at p comma q comma r, opposite to the vertices at p comma q comma r respectively. Opposite to p comma q comma r respectively, then the value of 2 sin p minus sin of 2p upon 2 sin p plus sin of 2p. So dear students, right now we have to find this is how to find the students. Here the 2 options are given that 3 by 4 delta, 45 by 4 delta, 3 by 4 delta whole square, 45 by 4 delta whole square. My dear students, the each and every option has denominator with delta. So my dear students, first we have to find the 2s. 2s is the students. How to find the 2s? The 2s can be written as, what is the 2s is that 2 plus 7 by 2. 2s is the a plus b plus c. That is the 2s is the students. We can written as the 2 plus 7 by 2 plus 5 by 2. The 2s is the students. 2 plus 12 by 2 is the 6. 12 by 2 is the 6. After then 2s equal to 8. S will be the 4. So after that students, we are taking the 2 sin p. Sin 2p, everybody know that what students? The sin 2p, 2 sin p cos of p upon 2 sin p plus sin 2p is there, 2 sin p cos of p. What is the common term in the numerator and denominator? 2 sin p is the common factor. That is students, is there 1 minus cos p upon 1 plus cos p. Dear students, the 1 minus cos p, 1 minus cos p is 2 sin square p by 2. This is 2 cos square p by 2. What students? The tan square p by 2. My dear students, we have to know that the tan of p by 2 under of any formula, this is, everybody know that tan p by 2 is nothing but tan of a by 2. That is the students s minus b, s minus c by delta. That is, and one more is there, one more formula is there, root of s minus b into s minus c by s into s minus a. When you can remove the root, undoubtedly we are taking the delta in the denominator. So the each and every option is including with delta. Okay student, the denominator included with delta. So students, we have to take the tan p by 2, that is nothing but tan of a by 2. That is s minus b into s minus c by delta. When it is squaring on both sides, s minus b, s minus c by delta whole square. This is what? S minus b. S is the 4. 4 minus, what is the students? 4 minus 7 by 2. This is 4 minus 5 by 2. Okay students? Upon delta whole square. This is the students. 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 7, 1. This is the students. 4 2s are 8 minus 5, 3. 3 by 2 2s are 4. 3 by 4 delta whole square is the suitable option. What is the students? 3 by 4 delta. 3 by 4 delta whole square. Is it clear students? Yes. Is there? The second option, 3 by 4 delta whole square. So my dear students, first we have to find the value of s. After then sin p is the cancel. 1 minus cos p, 1 plus cos p is there. 2 sin square p by 2, 2 cos square p by 2. This is the tan square p by 2. Tan p by 2 is nothing but tan a by 2. Since a is the side opposite to the, what is the students? A is the side opposite to the b. Therefore, that is capital A. We can take an A, B, C. B is the side opposite to the Q. C is the side opposite to the R. Therefore, tan of P by 2 is nothing but tan of A by 2. That is S minus P into S minus C by delta. Okay, students? Is it clear? Okay students, this is today's students. My dear students, all of you practice these similar model questions. So dear students, this weekend maths syllabus is, what is the student, this weekend portion is periodicity and extreme values and properties of triangles. Okay students, so this weekend portion is periodicity, extreme values and properties of triangles up to Friday class. Okay students, is it clear? That means properties of triangles part 1. Okay, thank you all.